Very happy winters to all the art lovers. Welcome back to my channel. I am Japneet and you're watching White Peacock Arts. Today we are going to paint a snowy acrylic painting. We'll be painting a lantern in the snow, some pine cones nearby and beautiful snowfall. Let's see how we can paint with acrylics and let's begin with today's painting. So before we begin today's painting, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that every time I upload my art video you get the notification. Today we are going to paint a beautiful lantern in the snow and some pine cones nearby. So it's gonna be a snowy acrylic painting and I'm just sketching it out. And I'll be starting with the background first. For the background I have Persian blue, cobalt blue and titanium white. So here I have already started with my painting, and for the darker area that you see I have used Persian blue and mixed with cobalt blue, and for the lighter I have mixed titanium white with Persian blue and got this lighter color. So this is going to be a blurry background. You can see I am blending the lighter color into the darker one, and to finish that distinction line you can use a dry brush to merge the distinction line, merge the two colors. To get this blurry background, you just have to use the tints and shades of the Persian blue, and you have to make abstract shapes to get that snowy effect in the background. Your shapes don't have to be exact that I am painting right here. Just make your own shapes and remember to merge the two colors that you are using. Now I have started with the ground and I am using tinted blue here. To get the depiction of the snow, you have to use some blue colors, and you can always use a reference to understand that. And I am starting with the lamp. And you can see I'm still using those three colors: cobalt blue, Persian blue and titanium white. Here also I'll be using the tints and shades to get the shadows and the highlights. For the shadows we use darker tone, and for the highlights we'll be using the lighter one. I had also painted watercolor paintings, and if you are a watercolor artist you can check my watercolor paintings. I am giving the link at the top. Here for the lantern I'm using the tints and shades side by side. For the shadow, I'm using Crimson Lake and Persian Blue to get this purple tone, and this will be my shadow. And if you have deep magenta in your color palette, you can directly use that. And if you want to create a purple tone yourself, then you have to use red and blue to get that purple tone. And to get the lighter tone, you just have to add titanium white, as you are seeing here. So in the same way, I'll be finishing up with the frame of this lantern. Now I've started with the glass of the lantern, and I'm using a mauve color over here. This mauve tone is the reflection of the background wood panel that I'll be painting afterwards. And I'm using yellow ochre here. There is a tea candle in the lantern and it will reflect some yellow light on the glass. Whenever you see reflections on the glass, you never see a plain color. So here I am mixing all the reflected lights. And I'm using a flat brush. This is a dry flat brush, and I'm trying to get the spots of the light. Now I've started with the background. There is a purple panel at the back. I have also taken some permanent orange in my palette, and I'll be mixing it with titanium white to get a lighter tone. Some light is reflected at the top, as this is a metal lantern, so you will see some yellow light reflected at the surface. To get the colors of the light, you have to use warm colors like red, orange, yellow ochre, yellow chrome. As I always say, painting is the process of layering. And you need to be very patient while you're painting. And let me tell you, this is my second attempt on the same painting, and I never give up. If I don't get the desired effect in the first one, I'll make a second attempt, and if I don't get the desired effect in the second one, I'll be doing more attempts. So you have to be really patient with yourself and your painting. Now I'm starting with some twigs that are placed nearby, and I am using burnt sienna mixed with primary red. This time I'm just using a flat color, and I'll be giving the highlights afterwards. And here I am painting the pine cones. Here also I am using a flat color. I have also mixed deep magenta with the primary red to get this warm tone. So now I'm painting some fallen leaves. And you can see the leaf that is near the lantern will have more warm tone, and the leaf that is away from the lantern will have darker tone. Here I am trying to depict the snow. And you can see I am using light mauve color. Mauve color is the color of the shadow. And near the lantern I have also used a tint of yellow color. As the snow will have some yellow color near the lantern, and away from the lantern it will have a blue color. Just remember that painting is just the play of light. If you are able to get the highlights and shadows properly, then you will see automatically it will get a realistic look. And this is not the only way that you can depict the snow. You can create your snow in your own way, but this is my way of painting the snow. And now I am giving some more details to the lantern. I'll be adding some more shadows, more darker colors. And I would love to know your views and opinions on this painting. Please mention in the comments below. And if you like my painting, you can hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. Our painting is about to finish. Just wait for the last snowy effect. We'll be painting snowfall, snowflakes. And you can see here for the twigs that are touching the surface of the lantern will have a reflected light on the surface, and the twig that is far away from the lantern will cast a shadow. Here we have snowflakes on the lantern. I'm pretty happy with my painting. And here comes my favorite part, spattering with the brush. And to get that snowfall effect, I'm just smudging the round spatters. And here we have our final painting. So here we have a beautiful winter art. And do let me know your opinions and views about this painting in the comments below. And if you would like to see more of my winter painting collection, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I have mentioned the links in the description. And I'll see you next time with something new and interesting. Till then, keep painting.